In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape food delivery data from online shops. For this purpose, we'll use 3 automation tools. Find the links in the video description. As an example, we will be exporting fruit names, prices, and other data from a New York-based online store. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Part 1. Scraping grocery product links. To export links to grocery products, use the Page Link Extractor. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster, create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Page Link Extractor and click on the green button to start the bot. Enter an online store page link. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted grocery product links to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported all links from this page, including links to grocery products. Sort the links from A to Z, remove the unneeded links, and analyze grocery products. Part 2. Scraping food data. To scrape all Embracing Food data to Excel, install Botster's free Chrome extension and launch the no-code bot builder. Select the single-page scraper. Enter a link to a grocery product. Click on Select Elements. Add the desired elements. For example, product names and prices. Add more product links with identical structure. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported grocery data including product names, prices, and stores they are available in. You can scrape other details if needed. Use the extracted data to analyze your competitors and to improve your own offer. Part 3. Monitoring food prices. Track food price changes using a customizable monitoring bot. Enter a link to a grocery pricing page that you need to monitor. Click on Select Elements. Add the desired elements. For example, product names and prices. Set the notification schedule. For example, every day at 10 o'clock. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot will monitor grocery price changes and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Track food price fluctuations in the competing online stores and improve your own pricing strategy. Sign up on Botster, scrape food delivery data with the no-code bot builder, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.